This is the letter A, and this is the letter A nosinė. They're both vowels, and yes, you've heard it correctly. The pronunciation of both vowels is identical. A, A. A can be pronounced short or long, and A nosinė is always long. Short vowel sound A. No, ne, ne. Honey, medus, medus. Be, meška, meška. Cent, centas, centas. Ice cream, ledai, ledai. Egypt, Egiptas, Egiptas. Wedding, vestuvės, vestuvės. Zeppelins, zeppelinai. Zeppelinai is a Lithuanian national dish that you absolutely must try when visiting Lithuania. And here's some words with long vowel sound A. Lake, ežeras, ežeras. We, mes, mes. Tree, medis, medis. Ice, ledas, ledas. Art, menas, menas. A lie, melas, melas. Granddad, senelis, senelis. And finally, A nosinė. As you already know, A nosinė is always a long vowel sound. But did you know that there are no words in Lithuanian starting with A nosinė? In majority of cases, you'll see A nosinė in the end, as it gives a word a grammatical meaning, the accusative singular form, as in the following examples. I can see a cat. Aš matau katę. Aš matau katę. I can see a fox. Aš matau lapę. Aš matau lapę. And in this example, A and A nosinė sound identical. I can see a sister. Aš matau sesę. Aš matau sesę. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and practicing Lithuanian vowels. If you're interested in more videos like this, you'll find the links in the description below. Ačiū ir iki.